All right, guys, we've got the Udream powered earwax removal kit. This thing is great. Um, what you have is you just have, I'll detach it for you for 1 second, and we'll just show you all the tools on here. So this is the unit itself. And what you do is this is the reservoir for the water. So we just open this up and put some water in there. We're filled up. All right. So it stores in there. Now you got the power button and then you have the mode button. So we're not going to turn it on yet because it'll start going, but you can see you've got child. So if you're doing it for children, you've got the child mode, which is more sensitive. You got normal, you've got high, and you've got pulse. So you got a couple different options there. The other part is you also have a charger. So it comes with a USB-C charger, and basically you just plug the USB port into there, and the other end into the USB or the USB adapter. So that's easy to recharge. But this is going to stay charged for a while. So the other part, this is the part that goes over your ear. So it's actually going to help keep the water in place and suction your ear there. So what you do with this is you just put it right over that. Now, the last part is we have basically three different connectors. We've got three yellows and three blacks. Now, what you have with that is the yellow gives off a Y, like a Y shape of water when it comes out, and the black gives out a 5 stream of water, and you can kind of see the 5 holes there. So you either have the Y stream or the 5 stream, and you've got three different, 3 for each. So it's super easy. That just goes right on there. And what we're gonna do, okay, and at the other end of this, just it goes into the sink so that when the water needs to drain off, it just drains off into the sink or somewhere that you can drain it off. So we're just going to turn it on and try it out. And that's definitely working. And you can see the water's draining off there. And straight up, I think this is super cool. And I think it's super easy to use. I mean, this is my first time ever using something like this, and it was super easy to use. And ultimately, I highly recommend it.